Good morning. Well, all eyes are on the RBA. Will they cut or won't they cut at 2:30 today? Well, the RBA's rate indicator says rates will be cut to 0.5%. All-time low from the current rock bottom rate of 0.75%. Quite a lot of economists also expecting the 0.25% cut as well. The reason for that is the RBA needs to stoke fire back into the Aussie economy, particularly as the first quarter of economic growth is likely to be negative. Overnight, we saw great news on Wall Street. US stocks enjoyed their biggest bounce back since 2009. As investors bought the dip, we saw stocks snap their 7-day losing streak, with monumental gains being seen across all of the major US indices and oil as well, which lifted 6% as Russia pledged to cooperate with OPEC. Look at the S&P 500. Costa gained 10%, Apple rising almost 10% as well, while in the Nasdaq, Tesla revved up 11, Microsoft up almost 7. In the Dow, Walmart gained 7.6 and United Health lifted over 7% as well. What to watch today? Well, the Aussie share market futures are suggesting the market will rise 1.1% at the open. After yesterday, we closed 0.8% lower at 6,392 points. What else tonight? Well, some analysts are saying yesterday could have been the ASX 200's rock bottom, but I'd say to take that with some caution, and instead of throwing your money into stocks to buy in, I'd say to average out. That way you even out the price that you're paying for a stock, as no one can really predict the bottom. What else? Well, overnight, Appen was upgraded. The machine and AI learning company was upgraded by Bell Potter from a hold to a buy, and this is in light of their earnings expected to be stronger than the company expects in 2020. Appen is also, for those that don't know, they are behind Siri, or behind the famous Apple brand Siri. Yesterday, their shares closed 7% higher to $22.20, and Bell Potter has taken their price target to $26.50. Just calling out some key figures from around the globe. In the US, the blue chip Dow Jones gained 5.1%, or 1,293 points. The S&P 500 up 4.6, the Nasdaq up 4.5. European stocks rose slightly as they're behind on the time zone. UK stocks are rising 1.1%, and the stock 600 up slightly 0.1%. In Asia, China's stock market rose the most, 3.2%. Hong Kong stocks rising 0.6%. Gold, meantime, has gained 1.5%. It's now $1,589 an ounce. Oil, as we mentioned, has popped up 6%. It's now $47.41 US a barrel, seeing its biggest gain since September. Meantime, the Australian dollar is gaining ahead. It's now at 65 to 9 US cents. Have a great day.